Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to get gasoline out of clothing. If you have gas on any of your clothes, you know the worst thing about it is the smell. Usually the stain won't be too bad. The stain's pretty easy. You want to catch it when it's just happened or, just as quick as you can. So, you have a piece of clothing with a gas stain on it, or somebody comes home just smelling like gas. If you think the smell is really, really bad, or even if the fuel is still wet, you want to put some baking soda in a bag and then drop the item of clothing in there. You may want to let that sit overnight just to absorb a lot of the smell. Or, easiest thing I think to do, and if the smell is not too bad, turn on your washing machine just like you're going to wash your clothes as usual. But dump vinegar in there with your clothes. You want to dump about, I'd say 2 or 3 cups of vinegar in there. Turn your washing machine on and let it fill up. After it's filled up, if you leave the lid open, it won't start agitating until the lid's closed. So leave the lid open with your clothes and the vinegar and water in there and let them sit in the vinegar and water for about a couple of hours, overnight if you want. It really doesn't matter. The vinegar's not going to hurt your clothes, but it is going to get the smell out. After that, add your laundry detergent as usual and run your wash as usual. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you get gasoline out of clothing.